back. And now I can check and see what it looks like now. Ooh, way better. Way better. It doesn't now interfere with the icon line because it gets rid of it. I don't mind that. Probably better to have it, but you pull down and get it. So that's good. I'm happy with that. And now, does the X? Yes, the X works. And now let me open the chat in full screen. Yes. Let me see if it works. It's got a very jet black background. Yeah, it looks great. I think I probably can see it better. And now does the soundboard have it? Yeah. The soundboard has a black background too. There's still a gray part, but that's just fine. I don't mind that because it makes a gray over the soundboard feature. There's a gray line. Now you can get out of the soundboard feature by clicking the X at the top. You don't have to click the back button, but the back button still works. You can back out of it. And let me see if it works the way I want it to. If I navigate through the soundboard, bam, bam, bam. Then I go back, knocks me right out. That's okay. I don't need to be able to go back. There's buttons to go to every page in the soundboard. I'm happy with it like that. I need to start making videos on this channel about the apps. I can demonstrate the app. I'll demonstrate different sections of it at a time. So we've made a successful edit. I like it a lot. I love how you could develop an app for a long ass time and still add stuff that you're like, damn, I can't believe I didn't always have that. Trixie was like, what the fuck is that? You think that's something, Trixie? How about this here? Watch this, let's see. Kitty, kitty. No, she didn't react that much. How about this one now? I think she's just looking at me hard right now because she wants to get out. We'll be getting out soon. We'll be getting out soon. I promise you. Ugh. What in the world is this thing for? I don't know, but something tells me I'll figure it out. Alright.
Capture stunning macro details remotely. Background camera by Superfunicular. Background camera by Superfunicular. Unlock your camera's true potential. Capture stunning macro details remotely. Background camera by Superfunicular. Background camera by Superfunicular. Unlock your camera's true potential.
Stealing other people's videos because it has a hot chick in it. Making it from my app. Here we go.
Stream from anywhere, anytime. Get the Background Camera Remote Stream app. Experience true flexibility. Available on Google Play. Stream from anywhere, any.
This one got 1,000.
Unlock the ultimate control.
1,000 views.
Background Camera Remote Stream. Exclusively on the Google Play Store. Unlock the ultimate control. Trixie! Trixie the Terrible!
I don't let her drive anymore. I will later again, but she needs to just think hard about what she's doing. Alright, let's see. For a minute I thought I got 12,000 views on one, but it's hard to see the little dot in between the 1 and the 2 sometimes. This one is Lady the Pitbull. I was just showing you those while I take a leak. I was making some ads with a service called Creatify, and I kind of like their ads. This is the first one I think I made, and it's my favorite model out of all of them. The first one I made.
Your phone can stream to YouTube Live for 10 plus hours with the screen completely off. No other app on the planet does this. Background Camera Remote Stream makes it real. Traditional streaming fries your battery in under an hour and overheats your device. This app keeps your screen dark while YouTube stays live. Tuck your phone in a bag, a pocket, anywhere. Control everything remotely from a browser on your laptop. No extra gear, no overheating, no dead battery mid-broadcast. Download Background Camera Remote Stream today and stream like a pro. Your phone can stream to you.
I like that one. That's probably my favorite one out of all of them that I made. And it's my favorite model. Fake ass bitch that don't even exist. But actually, I much prefer the way they've been coming out for my other channel. One of my other channels. Is this girl wearing something?
Pictures of a shady, sexy little lady. I saw them on a Facebook. She's got a nice look.
I'm gonna get a copyright issue from playing that.
If you're a small content creator, use this sound to gain at least 100 new subscribers. Don't believe me? Try it yourself. If you're a small content creator, use this sound to gain at least 100 new subscribers. Don't believe me? Try it yourself.
That's just, I was just looking at that video because a friend of mine got on there and said, It's me on the 999 subs saying hi. You couldn't be one of the hundreds. Oh wait, 999. It says 100, didn't it? No, 1,000. But he couldn't be one of them anyway, unless he wasn't subbed already. But I think he was. I really like the way that videos have come out. Where's my app? Get rid of that. Let me see. Yes. I need to make sure it's working. That it's still streaming. Let's see. There we go. Yes, I'm live now. Right? Aren't I? Let me see. Yes. I don't think this is the right one. I need to make sure it's working. No, that's me. But it's still streaming. That's me. That's me right now. Ooh, I'm about to pass Necro too. Man, that fucking shit is going fast right now. It was just at a lower number. But anyway, last I seen him, he is 6.88 thousand subscribers. He's been on the down low, going down for a long time. But I have been going up for a long time, and I finally got to 6.88 thousand subscribers myself on a different channel, And I love taking these hot chicks that get millions of views for their dance and have them dance on my channel. And it's freaking okay for me to do that because of YouTube gives you the right to remix their video on your and put it on your channel. I don't get it. Why? It's kind of strange, but it's the world we're living in. But here's one.
Welcome to the DigiNomad Show on YouTube. Get ready for the ultimate digital adventure, featuring the one and only. Welcome to the DigiNomad.
But I'll show you my favorite one. I look at this motherfucker just to feel happy sometimes, even though I haven't had it on there a long time. And it's this one right here. And pay close attention to the smoke in the background, how it didn't come out exactly like I want. There's like Native Americans draw paintings where they'll show a Native American smoking a peace pipe, and the smoke that comes up from the peace pipe will form into a million different things, like buffaloes and Indians riding, Native Americans riding horses, hunting or whatever, just all kind of stuff. Eagles, just any crazy thing you can think of is in all that smoke. Millions of different things in the smoke. And I tried to tell it, the AI, about that, but it, you know, it didn't get it quite right, but I still like the video a lot.
Welcome to the DigiNomad Show. Catch it on YouTube. Welcome to the DigiNomad Show.
I like having all these promos on my channel. I'm gonna keep making them for a while. And then, you know, I'm doing some cheating. You know, these chicks who are getting millions of views for certain reasons, well, I'm putting those certain reasons on my channel. So once a lot of dudes notice that shit, that they can count on my new shorts to be something like these chicks are putting out, then maybe I'll start getting some views. And sometimes I am already. It seems like the last few days they've cut me off. I need to slow down a little bit on my making of them. But check this out.
Discover the world of remote work. Subscribe to the DigiNomad Show on YouTube. Your next adventure is just a click away.
Yeah, you can see what I'm laying down right there. But you know, if they can fucking profit off of them, I'll profit off of them too, goddammit. I don't care. Unless they stop me. Here you go, here's one.
Discover the world of digital freedom. Join the ultimate journey. Watch the DigiNomad Show on YouTube.
But you get the idea. I love this one. This never got any views. Yeah, and the sparkles and magical effects, that's all me. They don't do that. They don't have that in the videos originally. I always add the sparkles and the magical effects. Here's a promo for the fact that I spent a year embedded in a gas station filming everything, all the drama of life for later distribution.
Come one, come all! We're gonna have a ball!
Pretty fun, pretty fun. Here we'll end on this last one where there's a calamity. Oh, it just took forever to load the fucking thing for some reason.
Welcome to the ultimate journey. This is the DigiNomad Show.
One of my ice cream scoops fell. And in that video, this was like pastry over here. And I said to put meat eating ice cream, and it changed everything to ice cream. It changed my face too. But that's probably better. And that's enough, I think. I have a lot more, but that's enough. I definitely have a lot of videos. Here, one more. I think it's just taking 8 years to load like the other one. I'm not sure. By the time I try to fuck with it, it'll fucking do something. It just won't play. That's fucking awesome, huh?
Looks like someone's mad. Go cry about it, bitch. Looks like someone's mad.
I think they were mad, but I wanted them to go cry about it. Oh, man. Really, I think this test is over. It was a success. I noticed, yes, ooh, jet black. I love it. Jet black. Freaking. For some reason, the AI loves to use this fucking gray. This fucking gray fucking color. Constantly, I'm changing the gray color and telling it not to use the gray color, and again, it uses the gray color. It happens a lot, Trixie. What do we do? What do we do, Trixie? How do we get the AI agent not to do that? But anyway, I just tell it to change it. On this page that I'm looking at, I don't think I want to change it because there's jet black portions already, and if I change other parts to jet black, then it just all blends together. Maybe. I do see a white outline though. Try that again. Got it. And the soundboard now opens up in such a way that it doesn't conflict with the icon line. In fact, I think it dismisses it. Yes, that's exactly it. I see the icon line go up in the air. In fact, it's exactly the same as the chat dialog. So I'd say this is a success. So I think now what I can do is oh shit, where's the goddamn, oh here it is. I was like, where is the browser? Because the AI needs, my Claude Cowork agents need the browser at all times to be open so they can use it. You'd think they could open it themselves since they have computer use, but unless I specifically tell them that, they'll constantly just be stuck if the browser is not fucking open. So I need to specifically tell them that, but I also leave the browser open. Alright. Going to play Google Play Console. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to go ahead and wait to promote this to production till tomorrow. So we have internal testing. Build 307. And production is build 306. The draft release? Oh. Production overview. 306. Okay, 306 is not actually live. Why is it showing that as production? 306. Improve your app's performance with bitmap image optimization. Your app is manually downloading and decoding images from the network in the following places. This can lead to excessive memory use, slow performance, and app crashes. To reduce memory use, we recommend using an image loading library to automatically handle downsampling, caching, and memory management for you.
be Gucci. Ooh, ow, that burnt. I hate this goddamn. Okay. I have this professional UV light on Amazon. Literally, it's like so freaking strong, and it's like, oh.
She just burned her fucking hand with it, and then she held it up to her fucking face.
It like, it hurt. I don't like it. This is abusive behavior. I do not. You love my Eddie. Thank you. Thank you. I got it from my dad.
That was fucking hilarious. I need to fucking clip that shit. Can I clip that
Thank
shit?
you.
Is there a way to clip it? So that was fucking incredible. This bitch fucking... There was this UV light thing that's supposed to dry her nails or some shit. And apparently it's so strong, it hurts. So then she fucking held it up to her fucking face. And it went off. And she's like, oh.
No,
Why
I'm not
did you
doing
hold
it.
it up to your fucking face in the first
Not
place?
my thing. I'm too fucking mad for that. Hair tutorial? Girl, I just threw my hair up in a bun. I don't even know how I did this. It was like, it took like 3 seconds. I watched TikTok tutorials. I don't even know how to do my own hair.
I don't think there's a way I
Like,
can
it's
clip this
crazy
shit.
because, like, I'm so...
If I could have clipped it, I would.
What's up, y'all? Happy Friday. Hope everybody out there.
Fucking fact, anyway.
I think I'm good to play this music.
I don't need to be on this. That work in the background. Oh wait, I need to... Yeah, I need to restart. Yo, what's up, Digital Nomad? How's it going? Welcome to the stream, buddy.
I hope this music is okay for me to be streaming too. I don't think this other streamer is paying for this music, so probably good for me to be playing.
Yes, that works. Oh, it is a little bit more compact. So... Alright. Let's try it. Well, let's, what do we got? What's the one that's currently... Just go ahead and restart this. Should be able to...
Listening to this music just tells me that music is over with, man. There's no type of music made by a human anymore that the AI couldn't make. And also, it just goes to show that it doesn't matter what they say. They're talking all about vibe coding and shit on this music, and it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter.
Local 5 appointments. I can see my appointments. Every day I've got GitHub Actions set up to like go and grab the views and see if there's any new content. And it updates it, once a day. 5 o'clock, 5:40 in the morning. And so it's just pulling this from Netlify. Force control. So now it's these changes that I've been working on. So now what I should be able to do, I'm basically pushing a change to my site. So this is, I'll show you. It's not a big change. I don't have a search up here. So I have this like text here and a search. Actually here, I'm gonna remove.
Cancel route.
Yeah, fuck you. I knew there was something happened. I hate that. My car, I must have bumped something. It was trying to do something.
So,
I don't use those features.
I want to get rid of this, and we're going to keep the search. That's fine. And there's lazy load. It's kind of hard to see because you would have to look at the sidebar over here, which I don't think you can really see. If I scroll down it bigger or smaller, so it's working. It's just loading a bit, loading fast. That's fine. It's more of a performance thing anyway. And as I start streaming more. Load. Just pagination. Alright, so this is actually on live right now. So if you were to go to this URL, this is what you would see. This is the change that I'm pushing. So it just took that other change. Now if I come back here, I've got these changes here. I've got AI reviews.
All right. I'm gonna make more changes. So when I navigate away, add anything to like my main page, because I've had it so long where you don't have to scroll it. I like that, but if I add anything else, you will have to scroll it. I don't want that really, but I need to do something. I think I'm going to add it. I know exactly where I'm going to have it. I see a place on the main screen to add this shit. Alright, here we go. I wonder if I've passed Necro already. Because he may have went down even further now. Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, why am I interested in Necro right now? Because I wanted to see. No, he still has 6.88. He has not went down. I'll take a screenshot of mine and his. I might make a video. Stupid cuntly motherfucker. Really pisses me off when you do the fucking hokey ass way that Android has set up for you to do a screenshot by pushing the power button and the bottom volume button. And it works, but first it makes the volume fucking slider come up and then it takes a screenshot. I mean, if it's gonna work, then why did the volume slider come up? Sucks. If you ask me, man, kind of suckaroos. But I see my friend Necro, he's got 6.88 and I've got 6.88. Let me go to my page here. Understand what the fuck even is going on with his life. Oh, there are people in there, I think, not saying nothing or something. play some other videos, like both of those. But I can't do that today yet. Maybe tomorrow when I have my earphones, I mean my earbud. I'll put one earbud in, and then we gotta play whatever the fuck I want while I'm streaming. But guy, isn't he on my subscriptions? Yeah, I said subscriptions, motherfucker, not just live. Is this motherfucker really a subscription?
Forged in the furnace that will never be seen, the most beautiful spirits that will ever be found.
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck that happened. That was a fucking accident to be subscribed to that fucking shit. Yeah, I don't understand. Where's this other dude though? Why is he not there? Am I not subscribed to him anymore? I am.
Yeah, it's like one of these things that, like, I probably could stay up, like, I absolutely could, but, like, physically I could stay a lot longer, but my kid and I will be out here vibe coding tomorrow, though, or at least some point this weekend. We're building a robot, and then he's,
that sounds awesome.
7 years old.
Oh, it's not
building
that great of a
robot that's based on a 1980, I think, 6 Tommy chatbot, and it's pretty cool. So, like, it's also like I would have to figure out some more things in order to show it to on the stream, but that's cool. Like, I got a 3D printed case for it. I can actually try to load it up while I'm waiting for this. Drop a new album. If we're doing this. Yeah, I definitely gotta work on this chat a bit more. Yeah, this is like, the fact that I actually broke this is kind of embarrassing. Oh, seriously, I gotta sign in. That's the deal. We should probably try to dox the show to me. Autodesk.
So I started the process of telling this guy that I'm streaming, so his audio might go out on my shit. I'll let him know I'm streaming on another channel right now.
Two FAs. Jesus Christ. On the desk. Alright, there it is. Alright. Over. Alright. What do you mean wrong code? There. Jesus Christ. It should be bad. You're streaming on your own another channel right now. Nice. Is it on your actual channel, your name channel? God. Oh man, they gotta warn you for that light mode bullshit. So this is the robot. Everything crashing. Nothing crashed. Anyway, this is the bot. So it's got a bunch of like spots for stuff. So like, oh wait, I can show you most of it. Let me. Bodies, components. Some of these components are broken, but that's like the switch, the antenna. There's a ultrasonic sensor. Front for its eyes. There's a camera right there, so that's a ESP32 cam.
That's pretty fucking awesome to be building with a kid.
Yeah, no worries. Not all of these songs are mine though. Some of them are like Mr. Demon Wolves and Swagger with them isn't here at the moment, so I don't think they would mind though. They would appreciate the plays. Speaker, so that's a speaker. That's where a speaker goes. And there's like air channels and wire cable channels and like on the front, so there's like listed around here, but 2 LEDs, like one's for power, like one's for basically they're 2 RGB LEDs, so I can use them for different things. There's a button, like an activate button, and then there's a fan intake, so like that's the guy right here. Right. So there's the fan, and underneath there's a few things here. So these battery cells.
I do weird things like this.
And this should, I think, be 9 volts. I think you're fine, Nomad. But yeah, to get the batteries.
He thinks I'm fine. See, back. So all this work helps.
And there's a another board underneath. So there's a battery module modulator switch. Basically, it's
I
this
do weird
board
shit,
that
but
controls the power and allows me to the thing
There's
will be
reasons.
powered through a barrel jack, like through a regular, like 5-volt barrel jack, and then that will charge the batteries. And if it's like turned on, like if it's like if I got it plugged in and it's turned on, it'll run the power off of the adapter as opposed to like the batteries. And it'll charge the batteries, but then if you disconnect it, it'll just automatically kick over to the batteries. And there's like covers for everything too. So like, where is it? There is it? Sketches. No, sketches. Components. Robot. Here we go. There's panels for everything. Screws all together and everything. And then there's an app for it too, which I don't want to prove. BMS exactly, battery management system. So like, I don't want to prove Demon Wolf correct and try to open up Kotlin right now, but take my word on it. There's an Android app for it too, and it allows you to control everything. But all these are parts that you can buy off Amazon for like $50 or less. And yeah, so we're building this robot. We've been working on it for a while. Always got some shit to say about Android. You got like, oh man, where's the shit?
Where's my goddamn gripper? How do I lose shit in such little fucking
Yeah, so
space?
this is
I gotta move you again because I gotta take a leak.
Yeah, so there's like the Android app.
Taking a leak is something I do an awful lot, so thank goodness I don't bother with driving to the fucking gas station every time like some people would. Some people would have to park at a gas station, I guess.
The parts aren't in it right now.
This other guy is showing a robot, talking about all kind of high-tech shit.
No, it's not too big, but solid though. Like you could take somebody out with this thing, but it's pretty cool. So I've like put in the lane.
And this guy's showing all kind of cool shit, and
Yeah,
and me on my stream, I'm taking a piss, literally.
Yeah, that's the.
So you know, there's a little different style. A little different style I see going on here.
But the cool thing is that this is 100% vibe coded. Like this entire thing was vibe coded, and like measured out too. So like, I found there's a website. Is it still fucking this up?
All right. Oh, here we go. All right. I don't know why I have the screen on. I don't really need to have it on, but it's not hurting nothing.
I'll have to wait till it stops. We don't have to, but I'll wait till it finishes one task and I'll kick it over to Fable. It's not a bad idea. But this, it's not a problem with the
And device variable. First, I want to add a red bar
with the context of the chat. So like,
on the
there are a couple of things happening here too. I mean, it's trying to resolve a merge conflict that's breaking some other. So
home
it's
screen.
kind of a mess at the moment. But I'm glad it happened though, because this is a bug I need to fix. It's just a bug I would rather fix on my Mac than my Windows machine at the moment.
Inside the camera recording card.
Can't push that up.
On the same line where
What's this guy?
camera recording is on the left.
Also got
space over from recording and ending one space the end of that line.
That's ridiculous.
I guess currently streaming is a good thing to say. I don't know. Should I say actively streaming? What's the difference? Should I just say streaming? I don't think so. I'm going to say currently streaming. In black text. In a certain place on the home screen. And then on the next line, below that, centered under the red line, currently streaming. Inside the red bar, and damn it, so I'm adding a red bar to the home screen in a certain place that it's going to say currently streaming whenever you're currently streaming. So if you've navigated away from the live streaming page and you forget you're streaming, you know, that's bad. That's so bad. So you need to have a notification there, I think. And I'm gonna figure out where I want to put it, one page at a time on the rest of the app. That's what I'm doing now. And on the next line, that displays the recording status of the local recording feature. For a hunt and peck typer, I'm not too bad, but I hadn't typed for fucking Jesus fucking Christ so long, because I went all Android a long time ago, and I've been, you know, who would use anything but swipe? I haven't used a keyboard in fucking, my God, a long time. One time I typed all day on a keyboard, but it's been very many years until a year ago. A year ago when I started vibe coding. You see, on the next line that displays the recording status, We need to definitely generate our own music. If someone is just generating this music and it belongs to them, we need to generate our own. We can't be using some other people's music. But I'm just a build in-house kind of guy. Every fucking thing I have to build it in-house. That's why I need my big box. I need to pull the trigger on this big box. Because, you know, OpenClaw, Hermes Agent. Now what the fuck? We got GrokBot. So many fucking things. I can't fucking use that. I gotta build that shit in-house. I can't use that shit. Half of the shit I hear, I can't use that. I need to build that shit. So I need my big box so bad. Damn, is this thing still charging? Fuck. Is it ever gonna get fully charged? I want it to be fully charged if possible, my fan, because that is so important to me when I go to bed. Such as God damn it. Slow down. What color should this button be? I think I'll go with the green and blue theme. definitely can't tell if anybody is streaming. Right now I don't have that button to get back to the live streaming page. I don't know if fucking anybody's watching me or not. And I'm not on my stream right now, I'm on somebody else's. So if you're trying to talk to me, I apologize for a minute here. Once I do this edit, then I'll be uninstalling and reinstalling and starting the stream again and seeing if it wait. I don't like to send typos to the AI, even though it can understand it. It's just more things to muddy the context, such as the AI trying to say, oh, and this word is not correct. What would this word be? Oh, this word should probably be this. I don't need all that extra shit in the context. That's why I don't kid around with the AI. It would be pretty fun to make jokes and be like clowning around with the AI while we're working, but I don't do that because I don't want to fuck up the context with no bullshit. Context is precious. Maybe it needs a little bullshit in there, but I'll figure that out later. Wait, I wanted to change something. I want it centered below this red line I'm adding. I hate it when it does that shit. Whatever the fuck that is, it's something to do with the fucking keyboard not keeping good connection. Makes everything jump and it fucks up what I'm fucking putting in there. Happens far too often.
was talking. It was just muted, apparently. I was talking the whole time. Fuck. Okay. Anyway.
Oh, it was muted?
I think I found the culprit.
That's fucked up.
I think I found why our thing's been running so slow. It doesn't drop below. That's exactly what I was saying. It's like, now I'm thinking I need to buy a new processor. Yeah. Yeah, this one's just a, shit. It's the one part that I cheaped out on when I got.
Okay, bam!
One part.
Son of a bitch, it's so nice to send a fucking prompt that takes that long to fucking write. It takes so long because I fuck around a lot, but...
For the most part, it works great, and like, yeah, pretty much. Pretty much, but after I bought the 3090 and
Still
all that
pretty,
shit, like, I don't know,
pretty goddamn tedious. I always have the best back scratchers around.
Probably a 5800X will probably be what I find.
That's because I put Velcro on the back of all of my phones. So my phones make an awesome back scratcher all the time. Does this guy have sunglasses on? He's always wearing the sunglasses that are I wear with my purple suit. It's hard to tell though.
I do, but upgrade the motherboard too, which I need to upgrade the motherboard anyway, so that might not be a terrible idea.
Why did he put those on?
But this isn't a good 16 core.
Oh, okay, let's see. Don't tell it to make a highly detailed plan. I said if so, and I didn't say make a highly detailed plan.
Core, they would have the 32 core. That's the one.
Starting already? This breaks the Lambda callback chain that was causing service leak.
That's the one.
Did it start implementation?
Yeah. Well, that's the beauty of PCs, man. Yeah, it does use some power. Yeah, I got like a 1200 power supply on my machine. And it's really, that's the only thing that's sort of weak. I mean, this thing's a beast. And for the most part, this is fine. Like, you know, it's really only...
I hate to stop the AI
live stream and do a bunch of other shit.
after it already started something. But I forgot to make a highly detailed plan. I don't want it fucking just bailing into the shit this time.
And really, it's only the caveat that, like, I'm trying to stream while I'm doing it, too, from the same machine. So, like, there's a lot going on. But I'll figure it out. Like I said, I've got fucking 3 other machines. I could... Well, I can't use my MacBook Pro because that's my work machine. Yeah, I can't do that. But, MacBook Air, I could offload it.
Alright, I said after your deep analysis, and that means please keep continuing. Don't just start making the plan now. Yeah. Go back to what the fuck you was doing.
Yeah,
then
I mean,
fucking
like it's still
make a highly detailed plan to complete this to the highest quality possible.
Like right at like 75%, 70-75%.
Do I have fucking joints some fucking weird? It's my stupid ass fucking.
I think it also could have to do with my skill too. I've got a bunch of shit happening in this. Like,
this is not a joint. Get that out of here.
Because when I was doing the stuff in the other
it came back.
it was actually fucking quick. It wasn't until I started kind of fucking around with the skill was right.
Issue queue item resolved.
Jesus Christ, finally. Like, heard that move infrequent tonight. Yeah. Covered. Yeah, I actually did. It took an hour. That wasn't even that. I didn't think that was that hard of a task. I guess it shouldn't have been that. It wasn't that serious of a task, you know? That's what it did. Sounds like a status update. No, it's having. I don't know. It seems like it's having trouble.
I just had to report someone on Meetup because.
I just need to run through it and figure out what's going on. It's not
Can I
a Windows
reply
issue,
to this?
but it's.
No, I think it replies to Jane.
An issue that happens to be on my Windows machine right now.
I reported her already.
Trust me, I got issues that happen on my Mac too. I'll be at less, but.
Agents connected, context loaded. Shipping season.
Yeah, it's the testing is the problem with it. God damn it, it's 2:06. I've already missed mine. Alright, I gotta call it. It's past 2 a.m. I'll hopefully catch you all tomorrow night. I'll try to do some work on this off the stream to figure out what's going on with it. Appreciate everybody hanging out tonight, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Wait, I gotta cross off some stuff, even though I didn't do it. I guess I technically did some of it, but here, let's check this out. The edit a page and cite me pro. I think I did that. I technically did do that. Boom. Did that. Recap where we left off. I did talk about it. MLS site being created. Did that. $3 resolved for streaming.
The AI is telling me about problems
So much fun.
that might occur if
Okay,
the
folks, I appreciate you all. Hope you all have a good night. Stay safe. We'll see you next time.
the AI is telling me about problems that might occur if the user were to start the local recording while they're streaming. Before, it was not really an issue because I guess you could start their local recording first and then start the streaming. Maybe it would work. I never really tried that. So it may have always had that ability. So I asked of this guy about the streaming. So from now on, I should be able to just stream while I'm watching his shit, and there should be no problem. I said minus music. First thing it shows me is music.
Oh, banana, that wouldn't be bad. Does it hold accurate when you do an image inspiration? And is Flux 3? Flux 3 is just an image model, right? I used to use Flux. Back when they first started, it was a, I don't know if you guys know this, maybe this might be common knowledge, but Flux was like a break-off of the team at Midjourney that wanted to truly open source it. And so it kind of has that Midjourney energy to it, but they are going more of like an open source route. So if you think about Midjourney as like the OG, like OpenAI to Anthropic, that's kind of how I view Flux and Midjourney, It's just like a splinter of the team that was like, oh, we want to do things a little bit differently. We're going to start a whole different lab. Which is good. We love competition here, guys. We love when the providers are competing. We wouldn't like it if one provider had the control over everything and they had a monopoly. That would be a scary scenario, especially with the Anthropic watermarking news. We hate to see it. That was a sad day. Jibbity. Guys, I have a contractor that helps me with transforming my future office in the upstairs of this building, guys. I'm gonna leave it a secret until we have the office, and then one day I'm gonna turn up on stream and you guys are gonna be like, where the hell is this guy? I'm gonna have a much nicer setup up there. But long story short, contractor comes to me. He goes, hey, you know about Chat GPS, don't you? You know about Chat GPS? I said, Chat GPS? I know Chat Jibbity. I don't know no Chat GPS, buddy.
For a minute I was thinking, what is he talking about?
I just thought that was funny.
I was thinking of some
He calls it Chat GPS.
GPS program. Alright, where the fuck was I at? String shit with baked in capitals rather than all text, all caps.
I've got bad news for you. You didn't verify that the light mode has good contrast. I need you to just go in and make all the text like zeroed out black. Just to see if you can do it. Because right now the text still comes back light on a white background. And it looks terrible. Like, this shouldn't be that hard. Get it right. Be the first agent. Be the agent that can go into the Agent Hall of Fame for fixing the damn light mode. Okay, feedback no longer blocks the screenshot stack or canvas. Screenshots can be dragged directly into feedback. Let's try it out. If you guys are just joining, this is iterated.ai, and if you have any questions at all, you can ask them in chat. I can answer them, but I've been building this tool for 11 days. We are sitting at $770 total earned up until now, and it's going pretty well. It's going pretty well. But if you want Iterated at any point, you can go to iterated.ai and you can use Stream20 for 20% off at checkout. I love this, guys. This is so much fun. Where was I? Oh yeah, feedback. So this parlays into the next thing. If you do get iterated, use the feedback tool in the bottom right where my face is right now. Here, I'll actually move my face. Because guys, I've been iterating on iterated. Very meta, right? But whenever I get feedback from y'all, I try to implement that feedback if it's something that's obvious and that needs to be done. So you can send feedback by clicking the little message bubble down here in the corner. And you can leave feedback, you can leave a bug report, you can leave a testimonial. You can leave all of that right here and quickly send it to me. Now what we are testing next is being able to drag things into here, particularly screenshots. So let's see if I can drag this screenshot in. No, we can't. But I think that's because it's not in the stack. So we need to get the stack working. Okay, the stack is right here. You should be able to drag in from the stack. I'm just gonna take a few screenshots so we can try it. Oh, it closes it. It closes the stack when I open this. Interesting. Alright, that's not fixed. But in the production version, guys, the only thing is we don't have add image right now. But we're trying to get add image into the feedback section so that you guys can add and upload pictures along with your feedback. I would like you to look into the feedback tool because right now the feedback tool, when I try to do the screenshot thing, when I try to drag it from the stack or the canvas, it does have like the little dragging icon, but it doesn't allow me to drag it into there. It's like when I drag something, it doesn't feel like I'm dropping it into there, and it needs to like highlight it, similar to how it does when we're dragging a screenshot into an agent pane. It needs to be able to be pulled from the stack or off of the actual screen itself on the board. And make sure that it's like very clear that it's attached and that it gets added. It's not allowing me to add it yet. Drag. Focus proof screenshot editing. Okay, this is like this is a lot of times that we've tried this screenshot editing.
Is he building something
This feels laggy.
for YouTube?
Me not working.
Social
Okay,
media?
It's just not doing it, guys. It's just, I mean, it works like 90%. It's just not at a release standard. It's just not at a release standard yet for editing screenshots. And it feels like it's going slow right now, too. Yeah, things are going real slow. I wonder if someone's trying to run tests. They should have told them to use the... Oh my god, is this thing still... Is this thing still trying to get Flux to work? Okay, it reset. Okay. I bet you that's something related to that performance guy that was working on the performance. Things feel pretty smooth now. As you can see, none of the agents died. We have a feature in here. If the process gets exited, the app itself, we have background agents. So the agents can keep running if you turn on background agents. Even if something crashes, they're going to run in an Abduco instance on your Mac operating system behind the scenes. And you can manage your processes as well if you guys want to in the processes tab on settings. You can reveal a certain agent. Like I can reveal... let's see, who do we want to reveal? We want to reveal... I need to search on this. We'll reveal Lyric. See, and it focuses it. I should probably close it when I hit reveal, though. So yeah, I need to get caught up on chat in case there's anything there. Upgrade Sienna to high. Okay.
Hand off to
Good
Fable.
suggestion. Good suggestion.
I use Fable for everything. Well, I do with the coding agent.
Let's give it one more try on low because it's mid-run right
I
now.
don't use Fable for my co-work agents at all. Just the coding agent, really. But I use it for everything.
I'm
mostly.
streaming on another YouTube channel. Is it okay your audio getting picked up on my stream?
That was a long time I said
Yeah,
that.
absolutely.
Okay, good.
That's okay. I think that's fine. Free promotion for me, right?
I hope so. Oh, 'cause I like to listen to something while I'm streaming. Did it take that long for him to see that? See that far behind? I don't understand.
Now you tell me to go to Fable. Now you tell me to go to Fable. I see how it is, Michael. It's just when Daybreak Blue lets you down. But I am running on low. I am running it on low in all fairness.
I'm not gonna. Well, I mean, I'll sometimes
Flux 1.2.
let Fable make the plan, and then I might switch.
This thing's still trying to do that.
But I'm not that poor that I need to switch from Fable when it does the actual coding.
Okay, it
I
seems like
might
you're
be
having a hard
soon.
time with this. So what I want you to do is
I'm not yet.
just download the local model
It's answering questions.
and
for it.
try to run it. And then just like once you run it, drop the images on the screen so that I can see what they look like.
I think this has turned bad.
Don't hurt performance.
Maybe not. No, it's about the same. Kimchi is already rotting. What is a little more rotting?
Guys, we generate our music with 11 Labs. Rock writes the prompts, 11 Labs generates every track. So don't sleep on it.
Oh. Of course, I want to see. I hear that, and I'm like, did this thing go up? I think I'm still seeing. Turn the screen back off. Fuck it. That's what I designed the app to do. Stream with the fucking screen off. The only app in the world that could stream to YouTube with the screen off. So I might as well make use of it. One of these days, maybe I'll make some money off of this fucking app. You'd think there would be a fucking market to be able to stream without worrying about accidentally touching the screen some way. You have to be so delicate with the phone. Oh, you can't stick it in your pocket. You can't do anything because it has to have the screen on there with your whatever you're filming is on the screen, and it has to be active where if you accidentally touch anything, it's going to destroy everything. Even at the edge of the screen, your finger happens to accidentally touch it, it fucks something up. It zooms or it changes something.
Or the morning, or the afternoon, wherever you might be tuning in from. Fable is in and out. It's having an outage at the moment.
I can definitely tell you that this music is not half as good as that other guy's music that from the other stream. I don't know what the difference is, but for one thing, he has the lyrics. But I don't know what the difference is, how they're generating it. But probably because he's doing some shit to generate. He set up a system to generate his own, and they're using just 11 Labs. This is just pretty basic, mostly acapella. Or I mean, what do you call it? It's just music, instrumental. All right, let's see what the fuck you said to my answers here.
Beautiful. My hypothesis is disproven, and I won't leave an unproven visual change in the app, reverting to known good, then reporting honestly. Alright, so it seems like Kira can't figure out what the problem
Answered,
is.
corrected, and plan and fixed in plan. Your instinct was right to push on it. Memory pressure can't do it. Android kills processes,
that's what you get
not
for
lone
working in the
activities,
dev app
and the
and building the dev
foreground
app at the same
service
time.
shield the process. If the process ever dies, the stream
but
dies
it's
with
gonna
it.
be like a
No
hallmark of the
zombie
channel.
state. But configurations change.
Iterated, randomly closing,
Changes can. Dark mode, auto switch at sunset. Font size change, language change, split screen, foldable posture, tablet rotation. That is. I have device verified that tablet rotation does not end my stream like it used to, and also like it did on the phone. When I used to allow it to, when I allowed it to rotate on the phone, when it rotated, it broke recording. Local recording crashed. But on the tablet, even though I have said don't rotate, it allows it to rotate on the tablet. But the stream is unaffected. I mean, the recording is unaffected, so I'm happy with that.
There are little skims that you're probably feeling with Claude Code. Yeah, guys, interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. Well, we're not using Fable, but we are using Opus 5 here.
Oh, yes, yes.
And we're also running the new Daybreak Blue model from GPT. And it's doing, I would say, pretty good. Pretty good, but we're going to have to crank this one up because it's on low right now and it keeps like says it's fixed and it's not. We hate that. Like, the first 80% of the way there was perfect, and then as soon as I started asking it to, like, fix the obvious stuff. Like, I'm okay with asking once or twice. Maybe I didn't explain it right, but it should have been able to figure this out by now, so we need to give it a more... we need to up the reasoning. Bottom line. If it doesn't fix it this time, and it looks like it's done, so we'll see. Alright, 3 landscape concepts are now open on the iterated canvas. What? Make sure they are actually open. Did it pop those out? I didn't see them. By the way, if you guys are just joining, it's day 11. We have a total earnings of $770 thus far on the stream. It's been a lot of fun. And if you want Iterated, you can get Iterated at iterated.ai. You stream 20 for 20% off at checkout. Just wanted to throw that out there in case you want that coupon. Okay. So it says, now supports floating screenshot stack drops, images dragged directly from the board, strong accent highlighting, and drop to attach. Immediate attachment preview after landing. Okay, no, this wasn't the one. This one was working fine. It was the screenshot editor that was the issue. But this one is like this drag-in image. So we need to try it really quick. We need to take an image. And I don't see it. I don't see the damn stack. Sienna, I don't see the stack. This is... the stack just doesn't show up when I am currently in a feedback.
I need to remember this guy, who he is.
Okay, and now the light mode agent is trying to change us back to that shitty light mode. Hopefully it fixed it. Alright. We gotta get
Productive dude. I remember who this guy is. So I'll know that I can stream. I can play him while I'm streaming. So far that's 2. And I've asked one time, I'm not going to ask every time I go back.
What do we want? What do we want for music? Getting a little burnt out on the music again, guys. Getting a little burnt out. We need something. We need some kind of different kind of vibe. You know what? Let's go back to our Grok High. And let's say, no, let's wait for the rebuild actually. We're gonna do the song request to 4.5 instead. This 4.6 is lacking a little bit. It's lacking a little bit. I want you to do the full flow on this song, and I want you to do more research on the style of the song than you do prompting. Because it needs to be very accurate to what this is for the style. I want you to create an album of 3 songs based upon this exact style that would sit nicely together on an album. They don't need to have the same subject matter, but they should be part of the same arc for the album. Here's the song. Okay, don't forget you need another Opus agent to lint all of your repos. It's for security. Okay. Okay, this is a good time to show you guys the new search, new project kind of bar. I'm really proud of this because I spent a lot of time on the UX for this, but if it's trash, just let me know, guys. You can change your working directory, right? So I can select, like, let's say this one here, cameras, set location. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of rebuilds right now, guys. A lot of rebuilds. Can't even do a demo. Alex skipping. Let me catch up on chat while we wait here. I don't think there's a whole lot.
Yeah, I need to turn this because I can't see the
Don't
fucking
forget you
chat.
need the other Opus agent to link all the repos.
Now I can see the chat.
It's for security. Alright, we got the song request in. Do Contorted Res. Trust. Contorted Res, is that a song? That's good, easy listening. That's a whole different vibe. Or anything by Something Corporate. Okay. macOS 27 beta changes how Spotlight works in the next operating system, so make sure it's forward compatible for your search bar. Good call. Good call. We need to be thinking into the future as a developer. Jeez, man. Some really annoying things happening right now as we're going through the development process with all these agents restarting constantly. And this light mode one is still like grinding right now. Okay, so you saw iterated QA. It wants me to jump in here and answer the question. Okay, this looks like vibe slop right now, but functionally it's doing what I want it to, which is ask the user questions in a structured format that we can then put into the iterated UI in a way that makes it easier to know where your agent is and what it needs from you. So that
Damn,
you can
should the
get
user
shit
just
faster.
not be allowed to go to the
So that's what you're looking at.
stream
work on the
settings
UI.
page?
I about had a sip of my drink sideways.
Why not
and I
just let
almost
them
spilled
go
it
there?
all
There's
over you
ads
guys.
on the page anyway. So they can go there. It's just they won't be able to fucking click to go live if they're already streaming. I don't want them to. Later on, I'm gonna add functionality for the user to start multiple streams and manage them. But right now, I don't want them to be able to leave the stream because I'm giving them the ability to leave the YouTube live streaming page for the first time. But I don't want them to navigate back to the stream settings page and just configure another live stream and send it while they're streaming, or not even to try. So if I gray out the go live now button,
I want you to work with the other agent to make sure that you don't step on anything with them. But we're doing the branch commit skill, so you should be able to handle any conflicts that you have gracefully, and you should be on your own branch, so there shouldn't be any issues.
I need to switch the voice, but
I get what you're saying about the build that we're in right now.
it's true that you can talk a lot faster, but I like my prompts to be more sophisticated than what these prompts are.
Just do it at the right time, or just talk to the other agent.
Yeah, I don't like all these prompts that they do.
See, this is...
It's just a little too...
There we go, send. And then, like, you could go through and answer the next
I
question.
don't like
I haven't been using this a ton. As you can see, my last question here was 3 days ago.
I like to
but the
type my
idea
prompts
is
because I think it
you'll
out
use your
better as I'm
keys, go
typing
come in
than,
here, go through
than
a
what
whole
I
feed of
just see with
questions
other
for your
people.
agents. But not
He's
like
doing
a
fine.
historical
It's no,
stuff. That's the
it's
hard
fine.
part,
Nothing
is
wrong with
getting
it. But
to
I
the
just like
correct state so that you know what the
to have
agent
more
needs from you
sophisticated
right now,
prompts
that you
than
don't
what
have
is
any
going to just
stale
come off the
information
top
that
of your
they may
head.
have given you in the past that you didn't get to, right? So the idea is getting it into the runtime, hooking into the agents, and getting them to do status updates and things like that. And another experimental feature that we are working on is the feed, which is kind of how I'm thinking we actually want to view all this stuff, which is in a very simple format like this. But this isn't anywhere near what I want, guys. It isn't anywhere near what I want. But basically just like one thing at a time, very zen-like, very focused. That's the idea. Run current state through Slackbots. Build your own native runner app. Oh my goodness. For inbox to stay current. Okay, I see what you're saying. So like use that as a back-end data source for it. I was thinking of the idea of having a timeline object and having them like just basically rewrite everything that they're doing, but like writing it in a timeline. I don't know.
What
I like
file to
timelines,
recover?
though.
recover.
I don't think I've used Claw Tag.
I see a problem here on my stream profile page.
Guys, if you are just joining, we are building Iterated.ai.
That should not be there.
It's a pleasure to have you here. We have generated $770. We are on day 11. And guys, we're just having fun. We're having fun. We're doing what I would normally be doing on a night like tonight, except we have a giant group of people forming. It's actually a pretty small group right now, but what we do is we join Discord and we post pictures of
1,
us
2,
touching
3, 4,
grass.
5,
So join
6,
the
7.
Discord if you haven't
Now I
already.
can enter my secret code to unlock the app for myself.
Grass. But also, tune in for the late night vibe coding sessions with yours truly, the Vibe Vampire, as they say, right? All right. Where are we at, guys? Where are we at with our agents? I need like a mental reset.
What
When I
file
was
to
walking on the
recover?
treadmill, I felt like I was locked
What
in,
the
and now I
fuck?
feel like I'm a little bit like, all right, what's going on here? What's going on here?
This is crazy. What's going to happen if I select file to recover? This is the stream from file page.
Three landscape concepts on canvas. Contact sheet.jpg is open in the viewer. Nope, I want you to open it in Iterated right now. Except we gotta change this guy to low because I can't be.
Alright, when it says select file to recover, thank God it's just a mistake on the label of the button. It does actually. No, it still says that. Select file to recover. Oh, it's not on the button though. It's on the. It's the title of the card. That's a mistake. That's from the. Alright, so that works.
There we go.
It just should not say select file to recover.
This is sick.
I'm glad
Look at
I've
this,
seen that.
guys. So that's maybe what it would look like, right? If it was our background. And imagine if the water was just like falling, but only the water, and maybe those clouds would have to be moving too a little bit, but it would have to be a seamless loop, which is hard to do. It's hard to pull off, not doing any weird tricks. There are models that claim to be able to do it, but it just doesn't look that sharp.
Even after a year of typing, I'm just starting to use my other fingers now. A year of getting back to typing again after long layoff. I'm just starting to use my other fingers. I never was a typer. I'm just a hunting and pecker. But at first I'm just using these fingers. And now I'm using more. And it will get better and better. It'll take another year to get a lot better, but it will happen. And I'm never going to learn to type. I will start using voice before I learn to type. And I will. I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to. I'm not going to use it for everything because, like I say, I like to fucking think what I'm saying. But I will be using a lot of voice. I will be using a lot of voice to talk to the agents while I'm out walking the dogs and shit too. So it's not just wasted time. Oh, we got water running.
Let's go on the touching grass, guys. Let's go.
There's a big ass fucking hole that pours water out every night. And what time is it right now? It's just starting. It's 2:39. And that big ass flood of water is just coming our way now through the fucking lot. Once I write this prompt, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna let the dogs lick at it or whatever they want to do. They like that. They love wild water. And they really love that water. They're weird. They're weird. I could try to give them some water and they would like fucking not drink much. But then go out, they still want the fucking wild water.
Thanks for that one, guys. Okay, where are we even at right now? This guy's still trying to fix the light mode. This guy screenshot. Open feedback. Okay. Slash model. Daybreak. Hi. The screenshot stack still disappears as soon as I enter the feedback popover. When I click and open the feedback popover, the screenshot stack just completely disappears. What it should do is it should adjust if it's underneath it to the nearest available space around it with the widget placement.
Select video file to recover. That should not be
But
there.
it should remain up regardless because it's disappearing as soon as I open the feedback.
Should say stream. I'll fix it. This is the latest version, right?
Great job on the
I think so.
screenshot grab
What to
from
find out?
from the board to the feedback window though, because that is working fantastic. So good job on that.
No, there's another version.
Let's just get the screenshot
307.
stack thing working too.
I don't think that changes on the latest version though. It's gonna still be the same, I believe. I thought it was ready. It's not fucking ready.
Guys, if you haven't already liked the video, go ahead and like the video. It is day 11, $770 total earnings. I haven't checked since the stream started. Maybe it's gone up. Let's check. Let's see if we have any new purchases since stream started. Got to remember to do this, or just hook up an automation to do it.
Why did I add the remote control to this
That's where
fucking
we're at, 770.
recording streaming
Which is
app?
actually solid,
It's so
guys.
much fucking a pain in the ass.
That's actually solid.
Plus, well, that's the remote control console.
Happy with it.
Remote server, remote console is how I do the remote control.
And I
It's
appreciate all you
such a
guys
pain in the ass.
for believing it iterated.
And for some reason, the buttons give me a pain. The button controls, hard key. So if I turn that on, I should be able to start and stop the local recording with the volume button. Shit gives me fucking so much trouble. I think it's still fucked up again. Every time I change anything in the app, that fucking fucks up for some reason. I'm going to have to separate that motherfucking shit from everything else.
Spotlight is probably just going to become like Siri's command bar, and then it's probably going to do a lot of the stuff that this does. So you're right on like making sure that we are aware of what's coming down the pipeline, and I do appreciate
AI agents constantly
the
posting
call out
on
getting,
all
the
kind of fucking
Apple
shit.
Intelligence dictation
I don't even remember what
Look
all
at
I
that.
have
You
them
got it right.
posting on.
It got it right, kind of.
But this one is one of them.
Now
Quora.
everything is just straight up black for the text, which might not be a bad thing, but some of these terminals are going to have trouble with that. I already know it. Some of these terminals are going to... I mean, probably shouldn't interrupt it while it's in the middle of computer use. Okay, it screenshotted it as proof. Let's try some of the other light themes. It's probably going to get all messed up because I'm doing this in the middle of its session here. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I wonder if I'm like missing any characters in here by doing this. See, like writing is pretty solid. I like that. But let's check like stream music and look at the Grok agents. Is their terminals like? Yeah, look at the Grok agents terminal. That's insane, guys. What is going on with it?
What's wrong with this? Why won't it
Light
work?
mode thing is tough. How's it going, Lego? Good to see you. Good to have you. I hate Spotlight right now, I'm not gonna lie. I hate it. I feel like it's trash. Someone tell me why it's not trash. I mean, maybe they'll fix it. I'm not arguing against them fixing it. I'm saying that right now, the version of macOS that I'm on, the Spotlight, is not great.
I think it's working. Yeah, it's working. It's just not working on this fucking thing.
I'm actually trying to find,
I don't understand that shit.
The most important thing for the Spotlight to be able to do is just quickly get you where you want to go.
It's still spinning when I'm not even trying to play it yet. What the fuck is wrong with it? It works fine on this other phone.
It slows down my whole machine. It goes in like slow motion.
Audio renderer error. Please restart your computer.
Ask Claude, and it's like, oh, it's because it's like re-indexing all the files. Like, well,
you're not the boss of me. Tell me to
what am
fucking
I doing
restart my
differently from
motherfucking
everybody
shit.
else that makes my Spotlight run like
Maybe if I mute it,
and not show me what I want it to show me when I start typing?
then you won't have to render the audio then. Huh? That worked.
The Migos clone.
That's weird. Yeah, just go mute.
Let's see if did they. Oh, I can't see the Grok agents right now because they're all.
At least I know it's a computer error.
Let's see if it generated those new songs. Okay, go ahead and open them if you haven't already. Oh, this might be it. This might be it. Yep. Okay, let's listen to this suggestion from you guys. Rank it. Lego, look at my videos, man. If you wanna funnel hack, just check them out, man. You'll see it's like long form tutorials.
Oh yeah, the remote console can fucking.
WRL, guys. WRL on this song.
Okay, I like the plan. Proceed.
It's kind of a chill one. I like it.
Proceed with implementation. Bro. Dog. This one play audio? Yeah. That's good to see. It's just the computer's fucking up. I don't feel like rebooting it.
Sorry about all the rebuilds today, guys. We have agents working on like 100 different things right now.
I'm turn the sound down because I want to play this video. It's got a hot chick.
It's like, if you guys are users, you won't have to deal with
I've
that.
seen this
I like
already.
that song. I don't know about you guys. But it created an album.
Only one of them was hot, I guarantee you.
These should be like similar.
I'm not really into these Japanese bitches that seriously have stick legs that look like they have no fucking muscle in their fucking legs. That is wild. I like this. An EV with a giant fucking solar panel on top. I could do that with my damn hybrid car. Alright, it's 3 a.m. and I'm shipping another fucking build to internal testing. He's right, that music sucks. Somebody said it's sad. It's fucking terrible. I never was streaming before, so I never did think about needing music. I hate music, really. But I could have some vibe-coded music, too. I think I'd like to have an app that I can just play on a fucking device. That either generates it or connects to whatever's generating it. It just plays it. Of course, I don't know, that might be the only way to do it. I don't know how you do it. But I won't be listening to the music too much. I'll be I'll be playing it so we have some kind of background music, like right now. But I'll be listening to something else. I'll be playing another YouTube video, probably off fucking where you can't see it appear, or it depends on where I'm filming from. And then I will listen to that through an ear. So tomorrow I'm gonna buy an earbuds, and I'll just use one at a time. And if I lose it, I'll have one more.
I like this so far. I feel like it's a good, unique style. It's not like the very best one that I've ever heard, but like I'm pretty impressed with it, I would say. Let's hear the third one here.
Is that what he's building? The music generator? Or what? It's going to take me a while to figure out what these people are building that I'm watching, because I'm building my own shit here. Yeah, he's building now, and he's going to push it, probably. If not, I'll have to tell him to push it. Push, push. All right. Meetup actions taken on content you... What? Oh. Good, they blocked a user that was offering a free laptop. Like, they're part of the group. Obviously, it's a meetup group, so they should be local around here. But then once you accept the laptop, they say, oh, I happen to be in Arizona right now, but I can send it to you via a shipping company, they said. So that's obviously a weird way to put it. But yeah, the shipping company was going to need some money from me, though. You realize. Ship your first major feature with confidence. I just signed up for a new Claude account with my corporation, a new Anthropic Claude Code account, because I ran up against my fucking weekly limit, which is, frick, I'm on a goddamn, I'm just a solo developer, and I'm on a $200 a month Claude Code Max 20 times plan. But I have a lot of co-work agents going. Co-work uses a lot of fucking tokens, because it stumbles around like a fucking child or something. But it gets it done. It just is like, oh, I clicked the wrong button. Oh, I missed the button completely. Let me fucking retry again. And yeah, that happens constantly with the co-work. If you look at their output, that's constantly what's happening as they're navigating these web pages. They're like, oh, nothing happened. Let me try it again. It's just like fucking constant. So obviously that burns a lot of tokens, just fumbling around and missing the fucking button and clicking the wrong button and closing dialogues by mistake and having to reopen it, all kind of shit. That's what co-work is doing. It's very clumsy, but it's the only slave I have that can go out and use my browser and do whatever in the browser, and also use the computer itself, which I don't like computer use. It seems to be clunky, and it really takes over my computer where I can't do nothing else.
I'm scared to see it. Oh, it's moving.
When it's working in the browser, it doesn't affect the computer, and also I can be working in another browser. As long as I don't go to the exact browser tab that the agent is using, then I'm not fighting over it. If I'm using another browser tab, I'm fine.
I just get lucky when I roll the dice with
Wow, one of my agents sent me a fucking email just now.
Alright, it's probably because we're on low once again, so let's ramp this model up and tell it what it did wrong there. Unfortunately, there was a camera pan.
So much fucking work, man, for these apps. Everything's fine, and then next thing, Google Play is telling me I'm using deprecated APIs and SDKs and all kinds of fucking shit. And that'll be a constant thing. If you're gonna have an app, that's fucking a baby that needs tending for the rest of your life, because no matter how you build it and what you use, it'll be deprecated and you can't use that no more. Or another, you got to change the version. You have to change the version of something in your app constantly. Many things, always. So my app needs constant maintaining. So that's why people started asking for these subscriptions and stuff instead of one-time payments. And then you use the app forever, and we have to keep fixing it. Which would be fine if you constantly keep lots of new people buying it, or whatever. But if you don't, then you just have your old customers that you're not making any money from anymore, and you have to keep everything updated so it'll work.
Guys, I don't know if there's any country fans in here, but I can get down to some Morgan Wallen, alright? So I'm going to try some Morgan Wallen.
This guy spends a lot of time.
I don't listen to country a lot,
with the
but
music.
he just has such a smooth
seems so important
style, and the lyrics are just on point, and they're all like hits. So I would like to see how it can do with that. We need more of a verbatim style transfer. But this time, do this song and do a little like 3-song album art for this artist and style. I want you to spend ample time researching the exact thing that makes this artist unique in terms of the backgrounds, in terms of the mixing and mastering on these songs, and how things come out.
So it must be this is what he's building.
And also in the lyrics.
The sound generation. The music generation. I hope so, because if not, they're spending a lot of time with this. What the fuck is this?
Till then, it's Midnight Synthwave, I guess, guys. I guess we'll go back to the grind.
I don't really like how this guy responded when he's got 2 vans for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and he responded, "It's still available. Are you still interested?" I'm going through a list of people in messaging.
Hotkeys still aren't working in there, and it defaults to drawing, and also the, oops, I gotta turn this guy up, actually. Gotta turn this guy off a low. We gotta burn through all of our codex usage.
It would be nice to have 2 vans.
Please fix this list of issues with it that are still present. Number 1, the contrast isn't good enough when it gets scaled up and it's bigger. There needs to be some kind of better contrast to pull it away from whatever is behind it on the screen. Even if the screenshot is a similar color to what is behind it, we really need to pull it off the screen, and maybe we can add like a border on it. Maybe we can add the active border like the panes kind of have, but around that scaled up editable version. And,
I'm trying to see if what he's editing is the music generation thing.
The hotkeys for switching to the different tools don't work. When I enter it, it just defaults to draw, but it doesn't have the correct cursor. So we need proper cursor on these, and we need to follow the best practices to get the cursor to focus on the frame that we're on. And text still doesn't work as intended.
Ship it.
Backspace sometimes doesn't work. It just feels shoddy.
So shipping another one.
It doesn't feel as good as the board does when we're using it.
I really don't understand the, I need to turn this because I'm going to piss again. I don't understand the goddamn way that other vibe coders measuring their progress. They're talking about how many commits. I really measure on how many new features I ship, how many new versions I ship, how many new bug fixes I ship. There's a lot of things we commit. We commit plans. We commit documents. We commit all kind of shit. So I really don't understand why they're judging themselves by commits. I'm probably just not understanding shit right, but that just don't seem to me the way I would be wanting to judge what I'm accomplishing.
Because now all of the Codex agents look beautiful. The Claude agent looks beautiful. We're really starting to pull off the right colors for light mode. Except you didn't do a full provider coverage. Because Grok goes into absolute chaos mode when we switch to a light theme now. And I suspect that there are other providers that are probably a little bit different with their theme for their TUI. So we need to respect their theme and make the most surgical, long-lasting change that will fix this even when TUIs update in the future, or that will make it easy to iterate on this and keep all of the providers looking solid on light mode. I want you to visually verify that this works once you put in the change. Dude, this one, like, I could just churn out prompts to this type of music right here.
Damn, what is the fuck is this system is using?
Version 2?
I was zooming out and moving around and zooming back in to shit he can.
Guys, it might have got it. It might have got it. Let's go.
And I don't get it. I don't get what is the deal. Why is he why would you want this? I'm confused. I just don't know. I don't know what he's building. And why does it say $770?
Alright, that looks beautiful.
Is this just his development environment that I'm seeing? Or is this the
There
app?
was
That's what I
one
don't
small
know.
gripe that I had, but I'm gonna let it pass.
What, you can't make one more prompt? Get rid of your one gripe? I don't like to leave
I
gripes.
didn't ask for this.
Yeah.
I didn't ask for the computer use right there. Okay. It's probably Harbor again. Harbor, the light mode agent. Did it visually verify though? I did tell it to visually verify. How do they look? Oh, this one's fine. This one's starting to come in sort of okay. Looks a little weird. Oh, there we go. We're right back to a laggy. Oh my goodness. That's just terrible.
If I watch this stream all the time, I'll realize what the fuck he's doing.
Alright guys, we're gonna switch to the Morgan Wallen.
Shipping, he's shipping, he's shipping.
Just jumping all over the place, but we burst out a bunch of work doing this. It works out. I'm just going in a lot of different directions, but it works out because we end up going forward after it's all said and done. So, all right, let's try some country. Let's try some country. Let's try some country. How do you handle so many active terminal processes? Let's try some country. Let's try some country.
Yeah, I'm still pretty nice. It's weird. How you have, it's hard to fucking tell if he's fucking streaming or not.
Are you referring to an iterated, like how to mechanically do that, Lucian, or are you asking more from like a perspective of like just jumping between features and things like that?
The dog thinks we might be getting out. The dog's very intuitive.
So I can answer best.
I can hear her
Make
back
light
there.
mode iOS or ISO compliant for accessibility. Make no mistakes. Okay. That's a good point, Michael.
Alright, we're gonna let this thing work. And you know what? I need to find something to smoke, man. I'm glad. But I did fuck up today, and I bought 3.
I don't need to mess around with this one. I'm just
I bought 3 joints, and I smoked all 3 of them. Which is fine. It's just that I'm trying to smoke only 1 a day, so I actually get fucking high. And it just, as an added benefit, it's cheaper. So why spend more money on not getting high at all, whenever I can spend less money on getting balls deep in high every day? I mean, when I can be disciplined and just smoke my 1 pre-roll, usually early in the day, because I really find it hard to fucking wake up and then go half the day. The longer I go, though, the better it ends up. It's getting high.
I hate when it copies what's in the terminal just by highlighting, and I'm trying to paste something in. Click, and I'm gonna paste.
I can't figure out what this guy's making.
Make light mode ISO compliant for accessibility. Make no mistakes.
Make no mistakes. What the fuck kind of prompt is that? Make no mistakes.
Guys, the Morgan Wallen music that came back there, I don't know. We're gonna try another one.
I should try that. Make no mistakes. I tried everything, man. Prompts fucking work, but they don't fucking listen to you, man, all the time. Because I guarantee you, I fucking told it I wanted the highest industry standards and best practices for everything, and I guarantee you my app is full of deprecated fucking SDKs, deprecated, all kind of shit. Just old ass fucking outdated fucking shit that it's using. Digibot would never do me that. If I ever get back to working with Digibot again, I was building a coding harness that I called Digibot. Very, very, very sophisticated compared to what I do in the coding, what I do in the code space right now. I even told the AI that I'm in the code space with that compared to Digibot, I mean, we just freeball it here. And that is what we do. But Digibot is a whole different way. I had it study shit that I don't even fucking understand about how these other agents like OpenClaw and
you make it simpler to understand, like your systems.
OpenClaw and Hermes and every fucking thing. Grokbot. Grokbot just came out though. And yeah, in my main coding area where I've coded my whole app, we just fucking code the shit. But in the code space where I have been building Digibot, Digibot is building itself now, pretty much. A coding harness that I built, very sophisticated. I spent many fucking weeks of hours, I don't know how many hours, on the shit. And I just had to stop because it was just too expensive doing it in a GitHub code space. It's bad enough I'm paying $200 a month for the Claude code. I shouldn't be having to pay $600 a month just to be connected to the code space. That's fucked up. So I need my own VPS. I love this little breeze, but
Oh my goodness.
the nothing changed checks. Local recording while streaming. The status row share space between timer and button. Oh, I see. It's probably where I told it to put some stuff. There's something that pops up there whenever you're locally recording. But you're not. Right. I don't know. So now that becomes an issue. Now that I've allowed the user to leave the YouTube streaming page while they're streaming, there's the issue of also being able to start a local recording. But I think you probably could have already started a local recording and then go to the YouTube streaming page before this. So it might have already been an issue. But we'll figure it all out. I do think that the AI has shipped a new version.
Another thing that we try to do is we try to run these, we try to run some of the processes in
What's phase 2?
cloud. But of course it still likes to run tests or like do certain things with computer use that it probably shouldn't while we're on stream, and it still makes everything lag a little bit, unfortunately. So when agents are doing work, especially on the dev app itself, it can run into some issues. Let's try the feedback attachments. Screenshot.
Phase 2.
Another and open feedback. Drag them in.
I think phase 2 is just the next page. Alright, let us do a little device verifying.
Feels pretty good. Why is it backspace working? Oh, it's because we're focused in this. Alright, let's see. Test. Send.
Fucking
We'll try this
touchscreen.
guy's as well.
Hate the shit.
Screenshot editing.
I hate the fucking shit, I promise you.
On light mode, on light mode.
Every now and then I fucking will use the touchscreen to touch one thing. It's fucking.
You know, will it work?
I need to turn it off.
That works. It's text. No, text doesn't work. I wonder if it does.
I'm getting sleepy.
Text doesn't really work. Does text work inside of shape, like a label? Label seems a bit broken as well. So any text, still having issues.
How would I sit on the home screen while the
Backspace.
stream
Backspace
ends?
is working. I feel like it's making improvements. Command Z works.
Because the only way the stream is supposed to end is if I am on the live streaming page and I
I'm feeling
stop it.
better about it, guys. I'm feeling better, and it looks better too. I like the look of it, how it is now. Okay, so it's like anything involving like text drawing is not working that well. Okay, it's really starting to come together, except actually this guy did a good job. So. Okay, you're clear to stage this for release. I don't want you to get it released. I don't want you to do any releasing. I just want you to get it staged and up to the point where it's ready for our test suite, because this feature seems pretty solid. But I want to make sure that it doesn't cause any tests to fail when we go into the release pipeline the best you can, without you actually running the test. Just look at the tests and make sure that it will pass with the current functionality. It feels good. Yo, I just realized, you guys, that I have been doing this off screen the entire time. The entire time.
Well, I mean, not too long.
Guys. And now it's going off my screen again. Sorry about that, guys.
Damn, how long is the mobile going to take to download? This is 91.5 megabytes. My app is that heavy? Our Android app? I don't know. I know I did not include the sounds or the images for the soundboard feature in the download. I uploaded that to, I mean, every time we send another bill, I guess we erase what we had in there and put it again into Google Play Asset Delivery. I use Google Play Asset Delivery, so they can download the app without the extra wait time of the images and sound files. But then, even if they don't open the app, as soon as they download it, while it's sitting there, Google Play Asset Delivery will kick in. Supposedly, I don't even know if that's true. I'm gonna have to fucking get with my AI and see if we're doing something that is pausing it and causing it not to kick in until I actually. Cause I swear, sometimes if I download the app and then I haven't used it for a while, and then I go to use it, and it seems like I swear it went ahead and waited to download the soundboard images until I fucking actually went to the soundboard the first time. I don't want that. I want it to download even on the user's device if they haven't opened it yet. So when they do open it, it's there. It doesn't have to say we're downloading it for a few seconds and then it shows it. I don't even want that. I want it to.
We need to make sure that the text actually paints over the image and works properly. And we also need to make sure that when the text is focused, that it actually types and it doesn't get stolen by the hotkeys unless I click off of it. It should be enabled again. So text just needs like some better treatment, and same with labels on shapes. But other than that,
I guess I need to stop the stream on this phone and go ahead and update the app and start the stream again. One more fucking time, one last time. Damn, there's hardly no way to get to the damn stream. I got there.
Connector, we have the connector icon. I need you to ensure that the icons basically do exactly what they are intended. New feature idea. Maybe I should actually save the animation in the middle of a closing app.
All new features of my app are going to be built to extract. I did that with the soundboard, and I will love it. And even I tried to use it in another part of my app. I want to be able to click a button, soundboard button, and it pops up over. Because normally it just navigates to the soundboard page. And then from there, the soundboard navigates, I think, within that page, I think. It might go. Yeah, I don't think we go from page to page for different soundboards. I'm pretty sure that everything navigates within that soundboard page. But whatever, I don't know. But,
I will get that change in Illusion because we need copy paste regardless.
But I added over the live streaming page a soundboard button that pops it up.
Dude, it's gonna get
over the top.
because it's trying to change themes and stuff.
And when I did that, I was wondering, what was I saying? Why am I talking about this? Oh, when I did that, the AI told me, oh yeah, it's easy for us to do that because it was the way it was built. So portable like that. It has its own this and own that. I'm like, we should build everything like that. Because it not only helps us to extract it at the end, once the feature is perfectly done, perfectly in the app, everything is working perfectly, then I can pull it out and ship that as a separate app, that feature. The next feature, I don't know what it's going to be, but it might be the video repair feature. Yeah. You know, like if the app crashes, then it has no time to finalize the video, and it's going to be an unplayable video. You end up with that. So if I turn that on, the devices that will be using the app, then I'm getting sleepy. That's what.
Hotkeys interrupt it. They interrupt the text, it seems.
I'm pretty sure.
And we need to do a full pass on the cursor icon for all of the tools, and we need to ensure that the proper cursor icon is showing when said tool is active. It's still showing.
Oh man, oh man.
Like it's showing the pointer.
I'm sleepy.
It just like spawns me in and immediately allows me to draw. If it's on the pointer, it needs to be on select properly.
And review.
Implement this across all of the different types of tools. little laggy right now. What are we doing? This guy's done. Stage feedback attachments for release testing. That's good.
Getting sleepy. And it's not because of this. It's because of fucking time.
Excuse me? Lyric explicitly released the dev runtime after verifying Monolith Falls. Bind build preserves that theme and currently installed. UA change. I'm installing now and checking Grok. Screenshot editor. This one just got done staging this for Prod for the feedback image dragons, which works pretty solid. Oh, did it? I mean, it works, except it doesn't when you drag it into the text field, which I told it explicitly to fix.
This new edit. So this new edit, I have changed it where not only when I navigate away from the YouTube streaming page like I just did, the live streaming page, there'll be a way to get back to it other than just going to the live, the stream setup and try to send another stream.
One minor issue.
And one time it freaking, I mean, it worked the first time, it worked the last time, but one time in between when I did that, it actually tried to start a stream again. That's what it's not supposed to do. And it gave me a pop-up in the current stream before starting one, but it kept on going. And it wasn't supposed to even do that. It was supposed to go send you back to the live streaming page again, which is still active. But now, once I stop this stream, in fact, I gotta go back to the goddamn stream again. Damn it. So hopefully I can get back to it.
Okay, this is the one that's cooking right now with the light mode terminals.
Yeah, I got back to it. So then I'm going to end this stream, and then I will go ahead and start another stream. Why not?
I'm going to ask Kira.
No, that was just my sound. My soundboard. Alright, I'm going to shut the door.